My Instapot was leaking with a hissing sound, and this is a sure sign that the seal needs to be replaced. The Instapot 6-quart replacement seal I'm about to show you brought my pot back to life. My Instapot is in great shape still. We use ours all the time, and this will bring it back to life in no time. One of the most important parts in a pressure cooker is the seal. We've had this pot for a few years now, and recently we hear some hissing sounds coming from the top, and the pot wasn't working properly. Over time, with a lot of use, the seal gets a workout, as you can see here. Eventually, the seal will start leaking. I'm glad Amazon carries the Instapot replacement seals. As you can see here, it's night and day. The edge on the old one is too soft and flexes too much. Here we have the seal in place now. It's pretty clear that the new seal is a perfect fit. Glad we have replacement seals available, and this one is original from the makers of Instapot. Hope this helps you and have a wonderful day.